Hi, this is Luke for Production Expert. Chameleon from Accentize is the intelligent reverb that can replicate other reverbs. I'm going to see if I can use Chameleon to apply ambience to a close mic mix using an existing ambient drum kit recording. And then I've got my close mic recording here. So the first thing I need to do is bring up an instance of Chameleon on my ambient recording, and I'm just going to play the track through to allow Chameleon to learn the sound of the ambience. And now it's simply just a case of dropping that very same instance across onto my close mic recording. Just pull that second profile in. Okay, so sounds like it needs a little bit more this way. Maybe just warm it up a little bit. Make it a little bit shorter. That's sounding pretty close. Let's have a listen to the other one. So that is the ambient recording, just done with mics. And this is the close mic recording with Chameleon across it. So that is using Chameleon from Accentize to replicate and control existing drum ambience. To find out more and to read our full article, head over to the Production Expert blog.